In the family tree of modern birds, the Paleognathus birds, which include the ostrich and rhea, were the first most basal branch. The second most basal branch is that of the Anseri, including the fowl-like birds, Galliforms, and the duck-like birds, Anseriformes. There is molecular and fossil evidence to suggest that the branching of this group occurred even before the end Cretaceous extinction, while others feel that the evidence supporting such a claim is inconclusive and the group may have diverged after the end Cretaceous extinction. The most primitive family is that belonging to the screamers, which have 3 modern species and are primitive in that they possess claws on their wings and are the only birds to lack the uncinate processes on their ribs which strengthen the thoracic cage. They are native to Latin America. The fossil bird Presbyornis is known from the Paleocene and the Eocene, and some claim perhaps even the Cretaceous, and is thought to be a relative of this family. The family Anatidae is intermediate between the screamers and the ducks. It includes only one species from Australia and New Guinea, and it may be related to Vegavis, a bird known from Antarctica during the Cretaceous period. If this is truly a member of this group, then the branching of the Anseriformes occurred in the Cretaceous period before the end Cretaceous extinction. Some, however, dispute the classification of Vegavis as an Anseriform. The largest family in the order Anseriformes is the family Anatidae with more than 160 species, which have spread throughout the world except Antarctica. These include ducks, geese, and swans, and there are species which are endemic to distinct parts of the world. So, for example, the ducks and geese of the country of Paraguay, for example, would be different from those found in the Northeast United States. One trait, perhaps indicating the basal position of Anatidae in the lineages of modern birds, is that the majority of modern bird males no longer possess a penis. Males mate with females as they press their cloaca together. The male birds of the Paleognathus lineages, such as rheas, tinamous, ostriches, etc., still possess a penis, as do the majority of the males in order Anseriformes, with the exception of the screamers. And so this retention of the penis, which is lacking in most modern male birds, seems to indicate the basal nature of this lineage. Of the more than 160 species, some are in critical danger of extinction, such as this Brazilian merganser. The pink-headed duck is classified as in critical danger of extinction, but it might actually be extinct in the wild. The Labrador duck became extinct in the late 1800s, and the New Zealand merganser became extinct in the early 1900s.